very carefully, because this is the hardest part of the competition. So the third and final round is to slide and stop over there, right before the edge. Come on, kaya mo yan! Kaya mo yan! You volunteer for this, come on! Come on, you volunteer for this. Sige, ganito na lang, okay? Before you do it, I'll give you a tip, okay? First, you have to judge your speed and your distance. And don't forget one very important thing. Don't forget to stop. Or else. Hello, water. Yes. Just stop right before the edge, okay? Yes, okay. Kaya niya, di ba? Okay, ha? Dito pa lang sa gitna. Ayan. So, folks, how about some encouragement? Good job! Okay lang? You need some help? John, forward, ha? Not backward. Ayan, okay. John, do you need some help? Folks, let's go! 1, 2, 3. Okay, isa pa. Folks, let's count again. 1, 2, 3. Now slide and turn. I told you to slide and stop. Bakit ka nag-slide and swim? Matlas. Okay, but I think this is the end of our competition. And in every competition, there's always, a winner with the net. Okay. Thank you so much, Officer Jason. So, Jan, dito tayo. Moment mo to. Moment mo to. Dito tayo sa gitna. Ayan. Diyan ka. Now face the oceans. Because thank you very much. And congratulations, Dakila! You have successfully defended your title. Good job. So, Jan, don't be sad because Dakila has something for you. Come on, just give me your hand. Dakila, give sa'yo ni Dakila to. Come on, just give me your hand. Come on. Because you deserve a juicy fish. Oops, okay, hold it. So, what are you waiting for? Come on, you can eat it now. Of course, I'm only kidding. Why don't you give it back to Dakila? Just like that, okay? Please, Karen, come on, closer. Ikaw, kailangan mo. Please, Karen. So, folks, we are the proud, definitely the brave, and the beautiful. So, Jan, your job now is to go out there and tell the world about the sea lions and the good things that they do. And since you are all wet, you have a free shirt, shorts, and shoes from the gift shop. O, diba? Now, ladies and gentlemen, how about a big hand for John and Dakila? Officer Jason, thank you so much.
Oh, thank you so much. What a great guest. All right. Folks, moving on. The Marine Patrol is always based on teamwork.